Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Sophia Suhails here. In this video, I explain about complex numbers from unit number 2, class. As I told you that I have explained already addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division between the complex number. Means complex to complex number to normal number, complex number to normal imaginary number, and then complex number divided by real number or complex number divided by a complex number. Okay, so all of these cases I have explained already. So now this one I just apply a few properties for complex number. You know that exams are SLO based, so you need to do the practice of unseen material also. That I will just take the random. Okay, they said that apply means find out z get for z given that z is this one, I take a random number. So take a conjugate on the number, add number to its conjugate, subtract conjugate from that real complex number, and multiply complex number to its conjugate. So find out all these cases. Have to find. Okay, this is the first case, second case, third case, and fourth case. Z is any number. Here I will take different number from Z. All the others which are given here, I will take some different, like 5 plus 2 iota is here, and minus 7 plus iota. Random number is given. So first of all, I told you that before taking a conjugate, it must be in the form of a plus b iota. This complex number should be in the form of a plus iota b or b iota. If this is not the form, we can continue for any situation. Okay, so any given composition you have to transform in this one. For this, what we can do here, we have to apply the rationalization property again. Multiply, divide by number. Conjugate number means the imaginary part will, sign of imaginary part will change, real part will remain same. So minus 7 minus 3 multiply and divide. Upper number will be multiplied and lower number will be multiplied. Okay, so 5 minus 7 minus 3 iota and plus 2 iota times minus 7 minus 3 iota. Sometime I forgot to write the iota very properly, but not make any confusion in my own handwriting. So you have to be sure about your own handwriting. So a plus b and a minus b means a square minus b square. Okay, 5 times 7, 5 times minus 7 minus 35, 5 times minus 3 minus 15 iota, plus minus 2 times 7 14 iota, minus plus minus 2, these are 6 iota. Divide by 7, minus will become positive, 7 square 49 minus 3 will become 9, iota square will change to minus. Here minus 35, they both are like terms, so we will solve them. Negative 15, negative 14. Negative integer always remain negative, but digits are added up. Iota. Minus 6 minus 1. 49 minus plus 9. It will, or whether you can write first step and then in the later you can add them. Now 35 minus 35 minus 29 iota and minus minus plus 6 divide by 49 plus 9 is 58. After this, yeah, continue this one question. Minus 35 and plus 6 minus 29 iota divided by 58. Minus 29 by 58 and minus 29 by 58 iota. You can write it as, okay, by chance 29 ones are 29 and 2 times it's 58. It's 1 time and 2 times. So minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 iota. It's getting very simple number by chance. Z. So this is our Z now in the form of A plus iota B. Okay. We can change, or we can apply any case on it. That first case, find out its complex number. So real will remain same. The sign of the complex will be changed, and it is the conjugate of that complex number. Conjugate means real part same, complex part the sign. Second part, they said add the, so write down first number plus second number. On it, minus half and minus half will be minus 1. Negative half and negative half will cancel. So there is no term. You can write 0. Okay. On subtraction, minus 2 iota minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 iota equal to minus half and minus half. Minus half and minus half will become minus 1 iota. 0 minus iota equals to minus iota. In any form you can write. Okay. So multiply Z, it's so Z, write down its conjugate, write down, becoming A minus B and A plus. So A square minus B square will be there. A minus B square will happen here. A is minus 1 by 2 and B is minus 1 by 2. This will become plus 1 over 4. This will become plus 1 by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Sorry, I skip iota. Iota here, iota square will be. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 iota square change to minus 1. Minus make plus 1 by 4 and it will result 2 4. 2 4 equals 1 by 1. So the answer of this is equal to 1 by 2. It's okay. So all the specific cases are almost done. As a few more cases are there which we solve. That is next in the next question, number 6 of the same exercise. That questions are given, few complex numbers are given as 2 plus 3 iota and W is given as 5 minus 4 iota. They said that prove that E plus W whole conjugate equal to Z conjugate plus W conjugate. So we have the values. Writing the value of Z, 2 plus 3 iota plus W 5 minus 4 iota. Make it and whole conjugate. First solve this side. 2 plus 3 iota plus 5 minus 4 iota whole conjugate plus 5 7 minus plus 3 minus 1 iota. Whole conjugate. When you solve the conjugate, real remain same and imaginary part change. Let's come to the other side. Z conjugate. Z is 2 plus iota conjugate. W 5 minus iota conjugate. 2 plus 3 iota means real remains same. Imaginary part sign change. Real part same. Imaginary part sign change. 2 plus 5 7. 4 plus 3 plus iota. So it is equal to 7. iota. Proved that real side will be equal to the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Subtraction can also be modified in the same way. Multiplication. Let me solve multiplication. They are saying in the third part that prove that z and do multiply and combine conjugate will be equal to their separate conjugate. Let's write z. Again 2 plus 3 iota and 5 minus 4 iota. Combine conjugate. On whole. 2 plus 3 iota conjugate, then multiply 5 minus 4 iota, then conjugate. Okay. Okay. We multiply these two numbers. 2 times 5 minus 4 iota and 3 iota times 5 minus 4 iota. Okay. Then whole conjugate stay there. I will solve this later. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8 iota, plus 3 5s are 15 iota, plus minus 4s are 12 iota to iota square. Whole conjugate still here. 10 minus 8 and 15. Subtract because the signs are opposite. 15 minus 8 plus 7 iota. Minus 12 iota square. Iota square will change in minus, so it will become plus 2. Conjugate. 12 plus 22 plus 7 iota. Conjugate. Now solve conjugate and it will be equal to 22 minus 7 iota. It's okay. The side. We'll solve now. 2 plus 3 iota conjugate. Apply the conjugate, it will become 2 minus 3 iota. Apply conjugate, it will become 5 plus 4 iota. Now multiply 2 times 5 plus 4 iota in the normal way. Minus 3 iota times 4 iota. 2 4s are 10 plus 4s are 8 iota. Minus 3 5s are 15 iota. Minus plus minus 3 4s are 12 iota square. 10, they both will subtract 7 iota. And then minus iota square will change it to 12. 10 plus 12, 22 minus 7 iota. And hence this is proof that the both sides are same to each other. One more part which is very interesting and most of the time students think it's difficult. I always say just continue the question as it is and simplify that as it is. Answer will be there automatically because it's a property. So properties answer will be verified as it is without any extra effort. Plus z conjugate, they said prove that the real part of z. First of all, check what is z. Z was 2 plus 3 iota. And what is the real part of z? The real part of z equals to, this is the real part, 2. Means your answer should be equal. Okay. So let's continue. This one. Half of z means 2 plus 3 iota. Z conjugate means 2 minus 3 iota. I am writing directly because anytime we have written already that how to put out conjugate. Real plus 2 plus 3 iota minus 3, they are cancelled. Half of 4 is 2. 2 means yes, 2 is real part of z. Hence result is proved. Result is proved. Same like that, if saying that 1 over 2 iota into z minus z conjugate is imaginary part. Imaginary part of z. Okay, this was z. This is the imaginary part. Imaginary part is 3. Okay, so put the values. 1 over 2 iota, put the big z, plus 3 iota minus z conjugate 2 minus 3 iota. 2 minus 2 you can write directly, or you can open the bracket, minus plus 3 iota. Then this is iota plus 3 iota, 6 iota over this 2 iota. Iota cancel, 2 times 3 is 6. So is the answer, which is the image part of the given complex Z. Hence proof. Thank you so much. Hopefully you understand all properties and all simplification which I have done on the complex. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for the more videos regarding this class maths also, and topic wise explanation also. Thank you so much. Office.